Hi, I'm Nate. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a chatbot to increase sales. Chatbots are becoming increasingly popular, and for good reason. They can provide 24/7 customer support, answer questions, and even close deals. I'll walk you through the steps of creating a chatbot, from brainstorming ideas to writing the script to deploying it. At the end of the video, I'll also share some information on how to make your chatbot more effective. Step 1. Brainstorm ideas. The first step is to brainstorm ideas for your chatbot. What kind of questions do your customers ask? What kind of support do they need? What are your sales goals? Once you have a good understanding of your customers' needs, you can start to come up with ideas for your chatbot's features. Step 2. Write the script. Once you have your ideas, it's time to write the script for your chatbot. The script should be clear, concise, and easy to understand. It should also be conversational and engaging. Here are some tips on how to write a script for a chatbot. 1. Start by brainstorming ideas. 1. What do you want your chatbot to do? What questions do you want it to be able to answer? What tasks do you want it to be able to complete? 2. Once you have your ideas, start writing the script. 2. The script should be clear, concise, and easy to understand. 2. It should also be conversational and engaging. 3. Use simple language that your customers will understand. 3. Avoid using jargon or technical terms. 4. Break the script down into small, manageable chunks. 4. This will make it easier for you to write and for your chatbot to understand. 5. Use keywords that your customers are likely to use. 5. This will help your chatbot to match the right responses to the right questions. 6. Keep the script conversational and engaging. 6. Use humor, emojis, and other techniques to keep your customers engaged. 7. Test the script with real customers. 7. This will help you identify any problems and make sure that the script is working as intended. Step 3. Deploy the chatbot. Once you have the script written, it's time to deploy the chatbot. There are a number of different ways to do this. You can use a chatbot builder, a chatbot platform, or even build your own chatbot from scratch. Here are some tips for making your chatbot better. 1. Test your chatbot with real customers. 2. Get feedback from your customers. 3. Update your chatbot regularly. 4. Use analytics to track your chatbot's performance. Conclusion. That's it. Those are the basic steps on how to make a chatbot to increase sales. By following these steps, you can create a chatbot that can help you improve your customer service and boost your sales. Subscribe and like. Thanks for watching. As promised, here is some more useful information. Additional information. 1. The different types of chatbots. There are 3 main types of chatbots: rule-based chatbots, machine learning chatbots, and hybrid chatbots. 1. Rule-based chatbots are the simplest type of chatbot. 1. They use a set of rules to determine how to respond to user queries. 1. Machine learning chatbots are more sophisticated. 1. They use machine learning algorithms to learn how to respond to user queries. 1. Hybrid chatbots combine the best of both worlds. 1. They use rule-based logic and machine learning algorithms to provide the most accurate and engaging responses. 2. The benefits of using chatbots. Chatbots offer a number of benefits for businesses. 2. They can provide 24/7 customer support, answer questions, and even close deals. 2. Chatbots can also help businesses to improve their customer service and boost their sales. 3. The challenges of using chatbots. Chatbots also pose a number of challenges for businesses. 3. They can be difficult to create and deploy. 3. They can also be expensive to maintain. 3. Chatbots can also be prone to errors. 4. The future of chatbots, chat. Experts to watch. 1. Rishi Israni. Rishi Israni is the founder of Chatbots magazine and the author of the book, Chatbots for Dummies. He is a leading expert on chatbots and has helped many businesses create successful chatbots. 2. Yevgeny Brickman. Yevgeny Brickman is the author of the book, Building Chatbots with Python. He is a popular speaker and trainer on chatbots and has helped many people learn how to build chatbots. 3. Bard. Bard is a large language model from Google AI. 3. He can generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. 3. He is also a great resource for learning about chatbots.